Hello and welcome to this step-by-step video in which we will show you how to install your Samsung washing machine. Please note, washing machine designs shown in this video may differ depending on your region. First, unpack your washing machine. After removing the external packaging, you will find the supplied accessories in a plastic bag inside the drum. The user manual will list all the accessories that are included for your washing machine model. When installing your washing machine, make sure it's in a suitable location. The installation surface must be firm, dry and level to minimize noise and vibration. Do not install the washing machine in a location where the temperature may drop below freezing. Install the washing machine away from direct sunlight and high humidity. And choose a location with good ventilation. Install the washing machine away from appliances that emit heat such as ovens or boilers. Now remove the transit bolts fitted at the back of your washing machine. For the position and the exact number of bolts, refer to the user manual. The transit bolts can be removed using a spanner. You should keep the transit bolts in a safe place in case you need to move the washing machine in the future. Once you have taken out the bolts, there are plastic caps supplied to cover the transit bolt holes. You can easily fit these by pushing them into place with your thumb. Now connect your washing machine to the water supply. Your washing machine is supplied with a water supply hose. Connect one end of the hose to the cold water valve on the rear of the washing machine. Connect the other end to the household cold water supply tap. Please note, for hoses fitted with a leakage safety device, ensure the safety valve end is connected to the household cold water supply tap. Before placing the washing machine in the final position, turn on the water tap and check both connections for any water leaks. Next comes the drain hose. Samsung recommends that the drain hose is fitted to a 60 to 90 cm high standpipe drain. Use the provided plastic hose guide to ensure the drain hose remains in position and only 150 mm of the hose is placed into the standpipe. To prevent the drain hose from moving, secure the plastic hose guide to the wall and the drain hose to the standpipe with cable ties. If you are connecting the drain hose to a sink waste, ensure that the drain hose is routed upwards and the plastic hose guide is secured higher than the bottom of the sink to prevent dirty water from the sink ending up in the washing machine. Once connected, check the drain connection for leaks during the first wash. To ensure minimum noise, vibration and unbalanced loads, your washing machine needs to be stable and level with the feet locked in position. First, level the washing machine by turning the leveling feet up or down as necessary. Then, when it is stable and level, tighten the lock nuts using the spanner. Please note, failing to ensure your washing machine is stable and level can cause excessive noise and vibration. For a more accurate weight detection, it is recommended running the calibration mode as part of the installation process. Before running this mode, make sure that the drum is empty. First, press and hold down the buttons, temperature and delay end, simultaneously. Then press the power button. CLB will appear on the display. Next, press the start button to start this mode. The drum will rotate clockwise and counterclockwise for about 3 minutes. When the calibration is complete, end appears on the display and the washing machine will turn off automatically. Your washing machine is now ready to use. That's it! You've just learned how to install your Samsung washing machine. For more information, please see our other available videos.